Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, helas ng sinakalan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyag ka ng magiting, sa mandulupin, di ka pasisingil, sa nagatak tutok sa simoy at sa langit mong pagaw, ay hinatang tulakaw, sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nag-iindig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pang ay di magtitingin. Luman ang araw ng walhagit pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang inigaya na pagkay mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Tonight, we're playing the games you love to play with your family in a whole new way. Yahtzee, Twister, Cranium, Gestures, and Boggle. The games are bigger, the stakes are larger, and moments are priceless. Right now on Family Game Night. And now, here's your host, Todd Newton.
Thank you so much, Bert Richardson. Thank you all. How you doing, buddy? Thank you all for coming. Hi there, cuteness. Hi, guys. Good to see you. And welcome to all of you, especially you folks at home. We're thrilled to have you here on Family Game Night. This is where all of your favorite games come to life in every single episode. But if we're going to play games, we need people to play. So let's jump in and find out who is going to be joining us. Take a look at Abby's family.